You're looking at one of the rarest American luxury convertibles ever built, a hand-assembled Buick that most people don't even know exists. Just 34,000 miles, completely stock, and quietly more exclusive than most exotics. This 1991 Buick Reatta Convertible isn't here to scream for attention, it's here to prove that true luxury never had to. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love rare luxury cars, timeless design, and automotive stories that most people will never experience, you're in the right place. Before we even get into what's sitting in front of us today, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join a community that lives and breathes special machines. Now let me ask you something, when was the last time you saw a car so uncommon, so quietly confident, that even seasoned collectors stop and stare? Because what you're looking at right now is not just a car, it's a moment in American automotive history that will never be repeated. This is the 1991 Buick Reatta Convertible, and this one right here is very well preserved with just 34,000 miles, completely stock, clean history, leather interior, automatic transmission, and an overall presence that whispers luxury instead of shouting for attention. And that whisper, it's far more powerful than noise. Back in the late 1980s and early 1990s, Buick did something almost unthinkable. They stepped outside their comfort zone and built a hand-assembled two-seat luxury Grand Tourer at a dedicated facility called the Lansing Craft Center. This wasn't a mass-produced commuter car rolling down an assembly line with thousands of identical siblings. This was a boutique automobile assembled with intention, built for a buyer who valued refinement, technology, and exclusivity over raw horsepower and ego-driven styling, and by 1991, Buick perfected it. The Reatta Convertible represents the absolute final chapter of this experiment. When this car was built, Buick already knew the end was coming. That knowledge makes every single 1991 example feel deliberate, complete, and almost ceremonial. Fewer than a few hundred convertibles were produced for the final year, making this one of the rarest modern Buicks ever built. You're not just looking at a car, you're looking at an automotive farewell. Walk around it slowly and the design starts to speak to you. The proportions are clean and balanced, with smooth body lines that feel more European Grand Tourer than traditional American luxury. The long hood, the short rear deck, the subtle curves that catch the light just right. This car doesn't age the way most early 1990s designs do. It hasn't become retro, it's become elegant. The pop-up headlights give it personality, but not gimmickry. When they rise, it feels like the car is waking up, ready for a night drive under city lights or a quiet coastal highway. Drop the convertible top and everything changes. Suddenly, this already rare machine becomes something even more special. The Reatta Convertible was never about speed records or track days, it was about atmosphere. The sound of the wind, the feel of the road, the calm confidence of knowing you're driving something almost no one else has. The top mechanism operates with smooth precision, a reminder that this car was engineered to feel expensive in every interaction. Slide into the interior and you're greeted by leather that still holds its shape, its texture softened by time rather than worn by neglect. The seating position is low, personal, and intimate. This is a two-seat cockpit designed for connection between driver and car, and between driver and road. The dashboard wraps around you in a way that feels intentional, with controls placed where you expect them, not where marketing dictated they should go. Everything feels solid. Every button press feels deliberate. This is the kind of interior that rewards calm driving and long conversations, not rushed errands. Powering this experience is Buick's legendary 3.8-liter V6 engine, one of the most respected and durable power plants ever produced by General Motors. Smooth, torquey, and refined, it doesn't demand attention, it earns trust. Paired with an automatic transmission, the Reatta glides rather than lunges. Acceleration is confident, linear, and composed. This car doesn't rush because it doesn't need to. It was designed for drivers who already arrived. On the road, the Reatta feels balanced and composed, with front-wheel drive providing stability and predictability in all conditions. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up imperfections without disconnecting you from the surface beneath you. Steering is light but communicative, perfect for long drives where fatigue never enters the conversation. This is a car built for real-world luxury, not showroom theatrics. What makes this specific example truly special is its preservation. With just 34,000 miles, this Reatta hasn't been modified, altered, or modernized. It remains exactly as Buick intended, a time capsule from an era when luxury meant craftsmanship and restraint. Clean history, stock configuration, and careful ownership elevate this from an interesting classic to a legitimate collector piece. Cars like this don't come around often, and when they do, they rarely stay available for long. In today's world of oversized screens, artificial engine noise, and disposable design, the Reatta feels almost rebellious. It represents a time when automakers took risks, built niche vehicles, and accepted that not every car needed to appeal to everyone. The Reatta wasn't built to dominate sales charts. It was built to satisfy a very specific buyer, and for those who understood it, nothing else would do. This is the kind of car you take out on a quiet Sunday morning when the roads are empty and the world feels slow. The kind of car you park carefully, not because you're afraid of it, but because you respect it. The kind of car strangers ask you about at gas stations because they've never seen one before and maybe never will again. The 1991 Buick Reatta Convertible isn't loud. It isn't aggressive, it doesn't chase trends, and that's exactly why it matters. It's a closing statement from an era when American luxury dared to be different. When hand-built still meant something. When driving was about feeling, not filtering. If you appreciate rare vehicles with real stories, understated luxury, and a presence that only reveals itself to those who pay attention, this Reatta delivers on every level. It's not trying to impress you, it's inviting you. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of Buick's most fascinating creations, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with someone who truly appreciates rare automotive history. We've got more special cars, more exclusive stories, and more unforgettable machines coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.